Ehwehwemu ama ye hunu se emema dodo no a etisi monten so no bebre no a ene wo adwen mu hawo edi entia bebre na se ohaw bi eha wo mu a wo mu entumi enka wo mu asem se ema eben na watumi aka wasem meme bebre no a na enim sa no ade ne ye eyesa na ama adwen no entanta nti bebre wo ho no a wo mu enkasa nenso wo mu nsem ehwomutirim bebre no a ene wo adwen mu hawo Opani ba kwa woni mu de efa pumdi mu ensem scholastica wotu woye medical herbalist or Kantanka Pharmaceuticals and Research Center.
Obaye society a me fun kasa be ma nsum be ma
ya na making ntimpa me ma do kasa ono ase me am solve problem hye ne bo
nta wo yen hwaze yen fato
yen fato hon mai
yen fande nyame mpengu ya hwe obi ho ye fa yen na ye busuan ya hwe obi Bemansu besia no obada from we soon wa ye no hu fin wa ye the experience
because go any pantias is not na yakao
the experience na besia no from with grieving no we relieve some stress why free mentally be units na wo the no sha no bodo o sha no mu e hwe patterns a ozechira as a home being far, the next place, blue kiosk. Or start to blue kiosk, then do in Pempendu be benya nyankufu bi anyi hono ko.
Bemensu.
Nyankufu na anyi hono ko no botu afutu bi. The ma afutu no na the ma brabo no. Enya start to cry. Ekuru bezechi. Say I'm no mansa na anye obi obo nsa. Jot bezechi edrubon bezechi mbesiafosem bezechi and obrabon bezechi now instead of nka sam na ohyewo bo
mbesiafosem ne obraboni
mema example we are just taking a classical look at a trend of somebody who represses their emotions and how they are likely to cope with the emotion if they don't seek professional help. So this is just hypothesis like can for to market. And do be them not
but mom yes no and okay.
Inti in kanyimpa no seek professional helper. Ebia na edwuma no nkoye. Ebia wahwe obi. Ebia nyeme bi nsem bi na ebusua akeka bi na onkoye na oho na. Nkoko hu professional helper. Psychologist no bob one. Nanko we deal with them situation. Now so when ko ho no na ebirika ho sisi a ezensa aka ho. Ensa na enom ne de bia no affect your liver. De bia na use no it affects the integrity of your gastrointestinal lining. Ebotumenya ulcer efim. Ebotumenya alcoholic fatty liver disease efim. Say elbow baby another is in drubon kan even sharing of the needles no able to menya HIV FM able to menya hepatitis B FM say start say mbesiafo sama able to menya ndem yerebe FM all because kwanye professional ankasa so ehun enyama ozizizizechi just because the person failed to speak to somebody
that guy